How to find your Snapchat username and password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view your Snapchat username and password. Firstly, open the app, and once on your app, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the top left of your screen. Here you can view your profile username just beside the snap code. My username is singing_for you. Similarly, there is no specific way to view the password because of the security concerns. But if you go to settings by tapping on the settings icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. Once you go to settings, you can find the password option right here. Tap on it. You can read here, to set a new password, please enter your current password first. So if you tap in your new password, which I won't be doing right now, then you will be accessed to enter your new password. So this way you can change your new password. Hope you like the video, like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.